Hi, my name is Ashley Davis Hopkins, and today I would like to share with you what makes Sound Retirement Solutions, Sound Retirement Solutions. What we do here is help you preserve and protect your assets by helping you plan for your retirement. We help you transition from your working years to your retirement years, helping you transition both of your health and your life insurance from employer-sponsored group health plans to individual plans, both health and life. We transition your health insurance from your major medical to a Medicare plan, and your life insurance from an employer-sponsored group life plan to an individual plan, because we all need to do some type of planning to plan for our children or our spouses to live on after we're gone in the same fashion. Then we help you plan for your own retirement by looking at what your goals are, what your bucket list is, what you want to achieve and accomplish, and we help you roll over your 401k, your 403b, your TSP, and set up a lifetime income stream you cannot outlive. So what we do is we give you peace of mind. We also look at options for possibly a rider on your life insurance or your annuity or IRA for a long-term care rider, helping you preserve and protect all that you've worked your life to accrue. That is very important to also consider the care you're going to receive in your golden years. So Sound Retirement Solutions is just that. It gives you peace of mind in your retirement. That's why our tagline is plan now, play later. Have a blessed day.